All right, let's run through another Mtel question. This one says, use the diagram below to answer the question that follows. It says the given line L is parallel to line M. What is the measure of angle Y? All right, so tough to tell initially, but we know that these two lines are parallel. We've drawn parallel lines like that. And we have kind of an open shape here, so I think it would be easier if we closed off this shape by drawing a line straight down to C. And I'm going to say that this line is just straight up and down and is perpendicular with the two parallel lines given. So I'm going to say that there's a right angle there, right angle there. This is also a right angle. So now we've got a quadrilateral here. We've got a four-sided shape inside of this line formed by C, A, B, and I'll label this point D just for the sake of talking about it. And we know three of the angles inside of that quadrilateral. We know that D, this angle ADC, is a 90-degree angle. We know that B is a 90-degree angle. And we know that A, DAB, is a 120-degree angle. So something that's true for all quadrilaterals, all four-sided shapes, is that all of the angles on the inside of those add up to 360. So if we call this angle an X value, which is part of the angle they're looking for, they want angle Y, which is this whole angle. And we also know that this is 90 degrees right here. So this is 90. So we can represent all of Y as just 90 plus X. So we can say Y equals 90 plus X. So we can figure out what X is. We're going to have Y, which is what we're looking for in the long run. And we can figure out X by making an equation for all of the angles in a quadrilateral. So I know that all of the angles add up to 360. So we can say 360 equals, we've got two 90-degree angles. So we go 90 plus 90 plus the 120-degree angle plus X. We can simplify this equation by combining all the terms on the right side. So 360 now equals 90 plus 90, which is 180, plus 120, which is 300 exactly, plus X. Now we just have to subtract 300 from both sides. We're going to get 60 equals X. Then we can just plug that X into this equation we have down here. So now Y equals 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. So our answer is C, 150.